Hello everyone, this is Rajan here. Today I'm going to talk on. Today I want to say few details on Terraform. What exactly is it? So Terraform basically is a infrastructure as a code tool which is used to provision infra resources using code instead of Portal or any graphic tools basically. So that's in a nutshell. So today these are some details on Terraform which you can go through. I'll post the link. Today we'll be going to deploy this specific uh, architecture step by step. So over here, there's one VM, there's a resource group, there's a virtual network, and there's a subnet, and a public IP address is attached to the VM, which helps in connecting to the VM using internet. So let's go ahead, and we'll be using Visual Studio Code. So for the first block, this is the provider block of Terraform. For us, the provider is Azure over here, and this is the this is our subscription. So let's start by creating a resource group. I have the details jotted down. So let me just copy and paste. So first block is our resource group block. I'll paste it over here. I'll give a name to the block as test resource group, and the name of the resource in portal, I'll give it as test RG. So that's it for resource group with a small block. Next, let's go and create a virtual network. So this is the block for virtual network. Azure RM virtual network is the provider. Let's give the name as web server vnet 1. And for the name of the virtual network, I have defined a variable in vas.tf which is called sorry, resource underscore prefix, and this is the value is web server is the value. So in main.tf, let's give it a name over here is vnet1. So for location, I have defined another variable as web server location, and for which the value is web server location is west us2. Sorry, yeah. And resource group name, I'll just reference it from the resource group over here, and this is something like this. C B and address space. So I'll give it I'll change the address space over here and do it as 10. This one also has 10. So yeah. And now let's go ahead and put a subnet into this. So this is the subnet block. So again, subnet Azure RM subnet is the resource provider. We'll give it a name to this as subnet1, and the name of the resource in the portal would be my variable resource prefix, and I'll append a name subnet1 to it. Now the virtual network name, I'll grab it from here. I will reference it, this entire thing, something like this. Resource group name, again I will change the name over here. to this address prefix. I have other variable defined web server address prefix, which is this one over here. Now, so as of now, let's till now whatever we have done, let's just I've already initialized using Terraform init. Let's just do a Terraform plan to this code. So as you can see, it has planned to add 3 resources, and the old 12 resources it will destroy automatically. So let's give it a minute to return to its normal state, and then we'll put Terraform apply on this. Let's do a Terraform I. Sorry about that. Let's do a Terraform by N. This takes some time. Let's wait. I'll enter the value as yes, confirming to proceed. So as you can see, three resources are deployed. Let's go to the portal and check what all are deployed. So go to resource groups. As you can see, test RG was the one which we were supposed to deploy. It's over here. Let's go inside this. We have web server vnet 1 which we deployed. Let's check the subnet. We have subnet 1 also with the respective address space, and the address space of vnet is over here. So that's all we intended to deploy using the current bunch of code. In the coming videos, we will complete the deployment of the rest of the resources.